Good morning, everybody. Welcome to Cat's Cottage. I'm out here this morning enjoying the peace and quiet before all the traffic begins. And I come out the door and I got such a surprise. There was on the side of the pool here, it was frogs. Oh, I'm going to guess. Well, I can't even guess. It was this one side, and they were all there together like they were watching a movie or something. Uh, 25, 30 of them, I don't know, maybe more than that. But it was so cute. I thought, now, who gets to see that really? You know? Only the person that turns their pool into a pond. Anyway, good morning to everybody. Hope everybody's going to have a good day and don't let yourself get overheated. Go somewhere cool. I don't know what I'll do today. I might do that. And if it gets too hot, I might just stay inside out of the heat. And pretty nice and quiet here this morning. I hear crickets. But anyway, get my coffee before it gets ashes in it. Oh, that's good. It's good and warm. This is a nice cup. I hadn't used it at one time before. I'll show it to y'all. It's got that wavy top, and it's heavy, but it's real smooth at the top. I sort of like that. Looks like it's got some type of maple leaf on it. Nice cup. Yeah, autumn is here. I went through the house and started taking out my summer flowers out of my vases and, the baskets that I have decorated. I took all that out, left the leaves, just the green, and stored it away, put it in a tub for next year. I don't want to look at the same thing all through the house. Don't want to look at flowers in the winter or the fall. And I love each season. Guess it's sort of something to look forward to, even that cold winter. Just thank y'all to all of y'all that have come to my defense. You come to my defense and made things out better than I could say. What I was thinking, but couldn't put into words. Thank you so much. But I did get through with those window boxes, and I wouldn't have had to drag that out on so many videos if I knew how to put everything together. Shorten it and speed it up or whatever. But I'm totally ignorant of making videos, and the camera, and all that. I've tried to learn, but I think after a while you reach a certain age and it's like I don't know what's wrong with your mind. Your mind won't take in new stuff. It's like, no. And if you don't listen to it, it'll shut your ears off. It'll shut your eyes off, so you can't do either. Well, I don't know what I'll be doing today. I really don't. I don't know from day to day what I'm gonna ever be doing. So, but anyway, good morning to everybody, and I hope everybody's gonna have a nice day. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye bye.